Hello. Today's topic, obedience.
Hi kids, what are you doing here? We are practicing at the gym. But this is no time for gym. Isn't this almost your class time? Well, we want to spend more time here.
Yes, we are not going to listen to you.
Excuse me, guys. You need to listen.
No, I'm not gonna listen.
Listen. He's our teacher. We need to respect him.
Thank you.
Yes, and we need to be obedient.
Hey son, let's go home. It's late.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I want to spend more time here. I don't want to go.
But son, it's late. And you have to listen to us.
Let's go home. You have to study as well.
Yes, please, son. Let's go home. We're your parents. You need to listen to us. We will tell you the right thing. Please, let's go home.
Okay, fine. I'm only listening to you because you're my parents. And I'm an obedient kid.